At Priority Communication Systems Ltd, we install integrated technology systems that support safety, communication, and reliable day-to-day operations in modern buildings. This case study highlights our work at North Trail High School in Northeast Calgary, a major education project designed to welcome more than 1,200 students. North Trail High School officially opened its doors in September, creating a modern educational environment equipped with practical, hands-on technology to support students, staff, and school operations. PCS was honored to contribute to this important school installation by delivering key integrated systems across the site. For this project, PCS provided the installation of CCTV cabling, an integrated clock system, and a PA and gym sound system. Together, these systems support site awareness, coordinated daily operations, and clear communication throughout the school environment. The CCTV cabling infrastructure forms an important part of the school's safety framework, helping support surveillance coverage and site visibility across key areas of the building. In an educational setting, dependable security infrastructure helps create a more secure environment for students, staff, and visitors. The integrated clock system provides consistent time synchronization throughout the facility, helping the school maintain smooth transitions between lessons, breaks, activities, and daily operations. For large school environments, accurate, centralized timekeeping is essential to efficient movement and organization. PCS also installed the PA and gym sound system, providing dependable audio support for announcements, assemblies, sporting activities, and school events. Clear sound delivery is a vital part of communication in busy educational spaces, especially where large groups gather and timely information needs to be heard clearly. The result is a school equipped with integrated systems that support safety, structured daily operations, and effective communication throughout the building. North Trail High School is another example of PCS delivering reliable technology infrastructure for public sector environments where performance and practicality matter. From education facilities to healthcare, residential, and commercial environments, Priority Communication Systems Ltd delivers professional installations built around reliability, functionality, and long-term performance. Contact PCS today or visit www.prioritylimited.com.